How to sign in into Nike.com. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow up if you want to sign in into Nike.com as well. So let's get started with the video. We can directly go to a browser, open any of the browsers available and directly go to Nike.com. After that, hit enter and you will be finding this browser right here. So what we need to do is basically go ahead and from this website, look at the sign in option directly in the top right corner. You can find this menu available here. Click on sign in to access the sign in page. After that, you can just go over and enter up your email address here. Go ahead and click on enter up your email address and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to enter up the 8-digit code that will be sent to your email. So go ahead and paste it right here and click on this option called sign in. Or you can even use your password if you want to use your password. For that, look out for use password option and click on it. And then just go and fill in your password this way. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot password and reset your password. After that, just go and click on this option called sign in. And once you click on that option, you will be directly signed in into Nike.com. You can just go over and use your email verification code on your passport for security check and follow on the on-screen instructions. And after signing in, this is your following interface. You can just go over and even view your Nike member profile, etc. and track your orders, access exclusive products, manage addresses and payments, etc. And that is it. That's it everybody. You can follow this method to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.